Welcome back. I'm Ron the Cook, and today we're doing another WrestleMania cocktail. Today we're doing something incredible. No, that's not the right word. Doing something spectacular. Again, not the right word to use. We're doing something phenomenal. We're going to be doing the AJ Styles Phenomenal Punch. I know, a little too on the nose. Get it? Nose, punch? AJ Styles is undoubtedly one of the greatest superstars to ever grace the wrestling ring. With a wrestling career that spans over 2 decades, this man has left his mark on the business. And this weekend we get to see AJ Styles versus LA Knight. With AJ Styles being a good Southern boy, we're going to be using some good old American bourbon. And this is how you make the Phenomenal Punch for AJ Styles. I'm going to start with Maker's Mark. This is our single barrel from Sobremesa in Oakland. 1.5 ounces or 45 mils. Next up, we're gonna stick with the Southern theme. We've got Peach Brandy. We're gonna go a 1/2 ounce or 15 mils. Now we have Naranja Orange Liqueur. Gonna go with a 1/2 ounce or 15 mils. Fresh lemon juice, 1/2 ounce or 15 mils. Some 2-to-1 simple syrup. I'm gonna go with a 1/4 ounce simple syrup or 7 mils. Peach bitters. Bump up that peach flavor. Go with 4 dashes. Next up, some saline. 1, 2, 3, and 4 dashes or drops of saline. Got 1 big cube. Let's break it up if I can and not hit my finger this time. Damn, these cubes do not want to break. There we go. And shake. Got my chilled highball glass here. Pop it off. One of my highball ice cubes. Pour this right over. We're going to finish with ginger beer. Because AJ does have a sweet tooth, we've got some peach jelly bellies. I'm going to throw in a skewer. There we are. The Phenomenal Punch.
Can it be? It is! The Phenomenal One is here! AJ Styles!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The bourbon comes through nicely. Nice and acidic from all that lemon. And the Naranja gives it that bitter orange flavor. Peach, front and center, letting you know that's there. This is a phenomenal cocktail. Now, who comes out on top this weekend? AJ Styles or LA Knight? Cheers. And if you want to see more of my WrestleMania cocktail videos, click right there. I'll see you next time.